Hey guys, Con here. Happy Bonfire Night, everyone. Tonight me and my family are going to go out to a place to see fireworks. First of all, we'll go to see the fun fair that's there, then the huge bonfire, and then the huge firework display at the end. And then we'll come home with a takeaway. So, it's going to be a fun night. Let us go. Hey guys, we're on the way there. We just stopped to get some money out the bank for the stuff there and that.
We're gonna rob the bank, honey. We're gonna rob the bank.
So yeah, it's gonna be fun! Yay! Ow.
Mummy.
Mummy.
We liked this last time. Just like I knew you could.
We are in our motorhome in Cornwall and Ant's preparing.
So we're currently going down to the place.
Watch this. Connor was just about to walk into a pool, and I really wanted him to.
No. There's the fair. So Eva, where are you going on?
On the Sizzler.
Going on that?
Oh, what if someone cute? Awesome!
Oh, don't go there again.
So Eva just went on the ride. What did you feel about it?
That was freaking amazing. Is my nose red?
My face is cold. It's frozen.
What have we got to do? Right, let's go and high so you're in low.
Heather's going to go on that thing.
Enjoy it. Around your neck.
Come on.
Number one, you can have any kind of boxes, a goldfish or a ball. Can I get a goldfish? You allowed a fish? Thank you.
Wow, what are you going to call it?
I don't know. Look how small
Fish.
We're back in the car. Heather's got her fish. What have you called it?
Tracer.
Tracer. Let's have a look. There we go.
Hello there. How tiny she is. She's so cute.
Hands are numb. What am I doing that for?
Think of how cold Tracer would be.
I know.
What are the poor thing?
Listen to the music, guys. What?
What are you doing?
The music's funny. Heather's got her dinner. Pizza, Domino's.
Mine.
Mine. You sound like the seagulls from Nemo.
Mine. How very dare you?
Oh, just game off your fingers then. I'm gonna get my dinner soon, in a few minutes.
He's gonna cry because he ain't got it. Please donate £5 to buy Connor a KFC and save a Connor today. Thank you.
Mummy. Pizza. Look what I got. Can't see us. Bitch, got a McDonald's, guys.
Ooh,
And now it's dark.
Ghosts. You can't see us.
Ooh. I'm back home. Honestly, just feels so good now, back in my pyjamas, relaxing for the night. Honestly, back at the fun fair, it was total chaos. There was too many people out there barging into you and stuff. It was just awful. But yeah, I'm glad I'm back home now. I had fun though, it was a lot of fun. I had a great bonfire night. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, it was a lot of fun. And I'll see you all in my next video. See you guys, bye!